Here's how it works. Susan will read a sentence. Listen to the sounds in the words, then see if you can name the letter that makes the sound you hear most before the clock runs out. Susan, let's read the first sentence.
Okay, ready?
뽀뽀.
An alligator and an ant added apples.
후후. 후. 네.
Did you figure it out? The sound you heard most,
아, 아, 아.
is made by the letter A. The answer is A. Let's do some more, Susan.
뽀뽀.
Jolly jellyfish jump for joy. The answer is J.
쭈. 쭈. 쭈.
Cute, cuddly cats crunch cucumbers. The answer is
C. 뽀뽀.
zany zebras zigzag at the zoo. The answer is
Z. 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 뽀뽀.
nice nanny goats never noticed new neon necklaces. The answer is
N.
Darling dogs dance daintily in the daisies. The answer is
D. 쭈. 쭈. 쭈.
impolite insects ignore icky inchworms. The answer is
I. 에. 뽀뽀.
bouncing boys break beds before bedtime. The answer is
B. 뽀. 뽀. 뽀.
We'll be right back after a word from our sponsors. Hi.
뽀뽀.
Okay, that's your word.
아, 뽀뽀뽀뽀.
Now, back to name that letter. Susan, next sentence, please.
뽀뽀.
kind kangaroos kiss koalas. The answer is
K.
Eddie enjoys extra eggs every morning. The answer is
E.
E.
에.
Eh,
에.
eh.
Many monkeys make male men mad. The answer is
L. 뽀뽀.
2 turtles toppled 20 tulips. The answer is
T.
Funny Freddy fried 5 fish for food. The answer is
F.
hungry horses hate having hiccups. The answer is
H.
Polly Porcupine pokes people. The answer is
P. 뽀뽀.
volcanoes vibrate very vocal vultures. The answer is
V.
V.
뽀뽀.
sweaty socks sometimes smell stinky. The answer is
S.
your yellow yams are yummy. The answer is
Y. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Ollie Octopus often objects to olives. The answer is
O.
grumpy gorillas grab gorgeous girls. The answer is
G. G.
rock rats run rowdy races. The answer is
R.
ugly umbrellas unexpectedly open up. The answer is
U.
lovely lions leap over lazy leopards. The answer is
L.
Willie watches Wilma Walrus walk wonderfully. The answer is
W.
And now for the
Bonus
bonus
round.
round. These letters are a little harder to guess, but I know you can do it. Susan, the bonus sentences, please.
quaint queens quietly quit quilting. The answer is
Q.
Q is usually followed by the
All
letter
right,
U. Together,
Okay.
Q and U make the sound the fox will fix box 6. The answer is
X.
X usually comes in the middle or at the end of a word. If X starts a word, it makes a Z sound, like in the word xylophone.
All right, that was fun. Remember, you can play again as many times as you like. That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for playing Name That Letter!
Yes.